Now I'm going to discuss about the try and except statement in the Python. This is the statement that is created to check are there any errors in a particular code or not. The try statement is gonna check the errors, and except statement is gonna print those errors. Like if we have print x and x is not defined, in such case the except statement is executed, that saying okay, there are some errors in this particular code. After that we have the else statement. This else statement is gonna check whether the condition is false or not. For example, if there are no errors, then else statement is executed, or else the except statement is executed. After that we have the finally keyword. The finally keyword is used so that to check whether the try and except statements are running successfully or not. The final statement always executes whether we have the true condition or false condition. It is always executed. And you can ask me why we are using the try and except when we have the if else statement. First of all, in the if else statement we always give the condition in if, but in try and except it is conditional. Whether we can give the condition or not, it is depend upon us. But in if and else we have to give the condition always, and upon that the execution time of the try and except is very less compared to the if and else statement. Therefore we're gonna use the try and except. First of all, I'm going to discuss it with some sort of code. Here we have the try statement. After the try statement, I'm going to print x. Here as you can have a look at here, I never defined the x. Here we have the x that I never defined, and we have the except. Here we have the except, and I'm gonna print error. Okay, I'm going to print error. After that I have else statement. In the else statement I'm going to print no error. As you can have a look at here, if there are any errors in this particular code, then except statement will be executed. If there are no errors, this else statement will be executed. And finally is always executed whether there are any errors or not. It is always executed. Here I'm going to print always executed. Okay, fine, this is done with it. I just run this particular program. As you can have a look at here, x is never defined, therefore it is gonna give us an error in this particular command prompt. Well, wait a second. As you can have a look at here, it has thrown us error, and it has also given us output as always executed. As I have already explained, that finally is executed always whether the condition is true or false. But this else statement is not printed here, because as I already explained, if there are any errors, then except statement is executed. If there are no errors, then else statement is executed, and this is how it goes. For example, here if I define x equal to 0 and I just save it and rerun this particular program, now else statement is executed rather than the except statement, because we have already defined the x has some meaning now. Therefore it has shown us no error. Well, it has shown us no error, and this try statement has printed the x because x is now defined. This is how the try and except statement works, and this is very useful when you are using some of the modules of the Python. That includes the SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol module. Through this module you can send the emails automatically from your program, and here you're gonna check okay whether we have sent that message successfully. If we have sent that message successfully, then it is gonna print the else statement, because the condition is true now, because we have successfully transferred the mail. But if it is failed, then it is gonna print the except statement. I am gonna discuss these all things in that SMTP video. For now it's all about it. Thank you.